Some days I get a good one.
If you're having trouble seeing it at home,
I bet you that thing's rain wrapped.
Jasper County into Beaufort County. Again, rural area.
Tornado warning is going to be drawn up for Beaufort County here shortly.
But if it continues its intensity and its track, it's going to move south of Bluffton and possibly impact Hilton Head Island. Now, one of the concerns that I have, speaking of the location and the fact that
let me guess, they've issued a tornado warning for Beaufort County now. Yep, they just issued one for Beaufort County. No, what? I'll get the text for you. I'll save you the trouble.
The shear, the rotation has gotten stronger now. That's not a sign I like to see.
Oh, shit.
Or correlation coefficient, big fancy word for basically picking up on.
Let's hope there's not a minimum there.
Wood, glass, you name it, flying through the air.
I see something out ahead of it.
I still do not see that. I know it looks terribly confusing and a messy display, but the red is rain. The red is rain. If we actually had debris at any point, it would pop up.
That's why them gaudy asses on the TV.
I do not see that. That is a very good sign. Now, what I'm going to be looking for would be in the area of the rotation, that blue bulb. And let's switch back to our shear, if I can. Here. Okay. So see where we have the shear and the possible tornado near the border of Jasper, Beaufort. Let me switch over to the correlation coefficient again, which detects debris. Sure enough, we don't have it. So very good sign
right there.
At the moment that tells me that we do not have a tornado on the ground. It probably means that we at least have a funnel cloud moving towards the east-northeast at 40 to 45 miles per hour. For you living in Bluffton and watching me in Bluffton, for right now, this is more of a heavy rain. Let me throw in the lightning detector. Absolutely no lightning. And I would say for 46 portions of 278, monitoring these trends, I would say around the greater Bluffton area.
Is that a hook? Is that a hook right there? Sure looks like it's hooking around.
The Natural Surface Polygon does have Bluffton out of the clear. I think that's a very good call. I think that's smart. Hilton Head, not so much. Hilton Head, you are still in the immediate path of the storm.
See that?
What I want to do right now is check the feed coming into Beaufort County. So, for the few of you who are listening to me,
there's a tornado in Bacon County, Georgia earlier.
It is now a concern for Beaufort County between Bluffton and Hilton Head, and honestly, probably more.
That may be more of a threat for Hilton Head.
Let's do an update, see if we've gotten any scans. It looks like it's a few minutes behind. Correlation coefficient, debris in the air. We got nothing going on. Very good sign. There are a few isolated cases, folks, where depending on how far away you are from the radar beam, which is in northern Jasper County, if the tornado is extremely low, meaning that the cloud base is very low, just a couple hundred feet above the ground, the tornado can sometimes hide under the radar beam, and it means that we cannot see it with our radar display. When I was a meteorologist in Oklahoma, Texas, and Arkansas, we had a couple cases like that, and it could very well happen here. We had a case actually in Appling County last year, same deal. The cell was so far away from the radar beam that the possible tornado hid under the beam, and we couldn't see it. And sure enough, we got reports from law enforcement of a tornado. So let's do a time lapse over the past 15 to 30 minutes as far as what we have, where it's heading. It is moving towards 30 minutes. Now, one of the concerns that I have is this is a very fast moving northeast at 40 minutes.
Go on that island, get to your safe place.
Before you know it. So that's one of the concerns.
It's making a dead jog for them right now.
Now, it's not one of those where you say, hey, I'm going to take this seriously in about 15 to 30 minutes.
This may be likely now.
It's going to be
we don't know.
Before you know it. Buckingham Landing,
their forecast area is huge, so we don't know.
Storm, if it continues on its track within this area in the short term. still holding its intensity. The brighter colors that you see, that's the moderate to heavy rainfall, in addition to the tornado potential. Damaging winds very much possible. We can have wind gusts in excess of 50 to 70 miles per hour. It looks like, I'm getting somebody up talking to you on air. They have not, let's see here, they have not confirmed a tornado at this point. It's
I bet you once this thing is hitting Head Island, they're going to confirm it. But there is some special marine warning for this. But it's about to go offshore.